Here is the student wearing proper lab attire, lab goggles, sleeved shirt, and some sort of clothing that covers all of the legs and shoes, demonstrating how to use a pipette in order to transfer solutions. As seen in the graduated beaker, the student placed the stock solution there and is not taking the solution straight out of the stock container. Knowing what the stock solution itself and the dilution are beforehand is important in order to understand the dilution equation, which is initial molarity of the solution times the initial volume of the solution in liters. This equals the final molarity of the solution times the final volume of the solution in liters. The stock solution and the dilution itself are important as they are needed in order to solve for the final molarity of the solution. The solution is carefully measured into the pipette itself and does not reach the bulb. Then the solution itself is read by measuring the meniscus of the liquid, the curve at the top of the liquid that is being measured. By looking at the meniscus from below, the student can read it and determine the volume of the liquid that is being transferred. In this case, it is 1.47 milliliters, as the student reduced the volume by 8.53 milliliters from a 10 milliliter beaker, making it 10 milliliters minus 8.53 milliliters equals 1.47 milliliters dilution of the liquid. A meniscus itself occurs because of the highly tensioned surface area of the water sticking to each other in the glass it forms the meniscus. After this, the student dilutes the water from the pipette into the volumetric flask and the meniscus sits perfectly flat on the mark. The student after this marks down the recorded value down in the lab notebook. The student releases the excess solution itself back into the graduated cylinder for the purpose to be released into the sink when it comes time to clean and finish up the lab.